Hello everyone, in this video we will be matching these exact fonts. We will identify it and download that. Open Google Chrome and search for my fonts, and there will be plenty of websites which identify fonts, but I recommend you to open myfonts.com. This is much more accurate. And scroll it down, here you will find upload image option. Click on that so I can upload that image. Now this will identify the text in this image. Select one of these texts of the font that you want to download. Click on the next arrow and it will identify all these fonts which look similar to that font. As you can see, the first one, Permanent Marker Pro font, really matches this font. These fonts are actually paid. I will look for a free alternative. I will type in Google. So here we find this font in font.google.com. These are free to download. I will download and install it, and will later show you in Photoshop. I had already installed that font. Let's now jump into Photoshop. I will type the exact text which was written in this ad to show you the similarity and accuracy of that font. In this way you can identify any fonts from the images. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this will be a helpful video.